Hi guys, I'm Jerry and this is my son Joaquin. Joaquin, introduce yourself.
Hey, you can call me the ultimate Lionel Hunter.
Okay. He claims that he's the ultimate Lionel Hunter.
Yeah.
How long have you been playing The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom?
I don't know.
So Joaquin's been playing Tears of the Kingdom for less than 3 to 4 months, I guess. So at first Joaquin doesn't know how to navigate through the game, but you know, through practice he gets better. He keeps playing it, and at first he's scared of to fight a Lionel, but eventually he fought one and get the hang of it, learn how to fight a Lionel properly, and now he claims to be a, what are you?
You can call me. All of you guys can call me the ultimate Lionel Hunter of all time. Forever.
So Joaquin is 6 and he's very confident. That's why he calls himself the ultimate Lionel Hunter. So today I will ask Joaquin to show me how to beat a Lionel in Tears of the Kingdom, and after that I will ask him to try to do the same thing but in Breath of the Wild. Let's see his reaction, what can he say about it, and he will compare it, which ones he thinks is the harder, which one's easier, and see. Let's talk to him later and hear his thoughts about it. Tears of the Kingdom first. So can you show the map, Joaquin? So Joaquin and I, we have this rule that we have to
find all these stamps.
We will after we spotted the Lionel, we will stamp the location so we can just easily remember where we fought one. Okay,
no.
So he's wearing a snow quill. Oh no, now he's show me muna, anak. Show me, Joaquin. Show me your gear. Are you sure? Construct bow only? Why don't you use that one? Savage Lionel bow. We should be using the same thing in Breath of the Wild. Okay, there you go. He spotted one. So Joaquin's strategy is catch it off guard. Okay, so he uses an eye to headshot the Lionel.
I think I need to use mine.
Okay. He uses the 1, 2. Missed. Okay, but
I'm using my this thing.
Okay. So the weapons Joaquins were using are more than 100. Whoa, Flurry Rush. Okay, Joaquin has mastered the Flurry Rush.
Look at my weapon that I'm using.
What are you using? Okay, he's using a
strong weapon.
Gerudo Claymore. Okay, Flurry Rush again.
That can be more malakas.
Okay, so wow.
See?
He
that's
beat
how
that.
That's how malakas these
That's how strong his weapons are. He was using can you show the 174? Okay. Show it again.
I'm using this one now.
Show it again. Start. Okay, so he's using Royal Guards Claymore. Fused with Silver Lionel Horn, which has an attack power of 174 plus critical hit. So Joaquin beat that guy easily. So
I have 2 of them.
Oh, he has 2 of them. Oh, Joaquin has mastered the art of defeating a Silver Lionel.
Yeah, I will defeat another.
Okay, so now let's try it in Breath of the Wild. So we're in Breath of the Wild now. So in Breath of the Wild, this is my save file. And in my save file, I have already accomplished almost everything. Alright? I have you see that? Okay. I have my Master Sword glowing because I have beaten the... What's that, Joaquin? What's that? It's the Trial of the Sword. Yeah, so I already beaten the Trial of the Sword. And all major quests are already done. And I have full inventories. Move, Joaquin.
Wow, what is that?
Giro the scimitar. It's weak.
Moonlight!
Yeah, okay. So the difference with Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom is in Breath of the Wild you cannot fuse your weapon with fusible materials. So if you notice, the weapons in Tears of the Kingdom that Joaquin was using were above 100 attack power. However, the one that I have in Breath of the Wild, the highest I got is 99. This one, the Savage Lionel Crusher. So let's see. Let's see how Joaquin will react to this one. Okay, Joaquin?
I will use...
Okay, I gave the controller to Joaquin already. Stop fooling around, Joaquin.
But I'm attacking him from here. Okay, I have a savage. Grab it.
Alright, Flurry Rush. Joaquin can do the Flurry Rush in Breath of the Wild. Same thing.
Wow.
Okay. Joaquin already used the Rocks Protection twice already, so he used it all already.
Because
Okay.
I was grab. Oh. Grab.
Alright, pure headshot.
Oh.
But he loses his stamina.
Oh, yes. I think I need to eat some stamina food.
I don't have it.
You don't have? I said I'm the best player ever.
Missed.
How did you? Bruh. Okay. What, bruh? We both have the same weapon. I mean shield. Bruh, what's the bruh?
Same weapon too. You have the same everything. Including the bow.
Yeah.
The bow, the weapon, and the sword. Okay. Joaquin's having a hard time.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time going on my flurry.
She's gonna throw.
I got my Highland rice. I got the Highland rice.
Okay.
Not again.
Remember, you have champion's abilities.
Bruh, I keep on missing.
Okay.
What? Bruh, you are my most favorite fish.
That fish alone won't make much. Won't do much.
Get my opportunity to. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, it won't work anymore.
Yeah, I don't have the rocks protection.
No, you mean... oh wait, fire will work. The campfire. Bruh, he's too...
Okay, Joaquin's. Compared to Tears of the Kingdom, Joaquin's taking a...
he defeated the restless
Joaquin's taking quite a longer time defeating this guy.
Come on. Do about it. Aha!
Alright, Joaquin defeated the Breath of the Wild Silver Lionel, but in the much longer time. Alright.
Bruh, why did he drop? Bruh, why did he drop a stack higher?
Alright. Now, Joaquin, why don't we try to fight for a bonus round? Why don't we try you fighting a Gold Lionel in Master Mode?
No, I don't want to mode.
You can try it. Come on.
I'm getting a lot of sun.
Okay, we're going to try the master mode. Alright, Joaquin, now we're going to play in master mode in Breath of the Wild. So, Joaquin's going to be fighting. So, here we go.
Let his face burn.
Alright, in master mode in Breath of the Wild, I don't
Bro, why
have...
do you have this? Wow.
Use the ano, Joaquin, use the crusher with that's 104. When you mount the back.
The
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Tapos switch with the ano, the other sword. No, don't use that. It's 200. Use a 100. Use the 58. There you go. Right. So switch.
Wow, I like that one. Golden Claymore.
It doesn't mean anything in Breath of the Wild.
Bruh. Safely.
Ala, you wasted it.
Oh no.
Arrow! You should have shot it in the face.
Bruh.
Okay, so Joaquin's having a problem with the crusher golden line now. You should hit it in the face, Joaquin.
Bruh, he keeps on dodging.
Run.
Oh yeah, you have a genius plan.
Genius plan, you saw it from me. Mount. Ah, too late. Up. Oh, boom.
Save
Oh,
me,
you're dead. Mipa's Grace just saved you.
Oh. Whoa, no.
So, Joaquin, if you don't hit him, he will regenerate his life. It's his healing.
Oh.
So you better hit him fast. Shield. Oh, go near him.
Is he regenerating?
You have Urbosa's Fury. Why not use it? You know how to use Urbosa's Fury?
Boom. Boom.
104.
And I'm using my only hook. Master.
Weaker nga yung Master Sword yan eh. My Master Sword in Master Mode was only a regular one. I haven't beaten Trial of the Sword in the Master
Red
Mode.
double axe. Wait.
Heart, Joaquin, heart. Eat. Joaquin needs a little humbling. Oh, how many fairies will you use? Heart. Eat. Oh no.
One more try.
Okay, one more try.
Gold line.
But you said you're the ultimate Lionel Hunter.
But
So the ultimate Lionel Hunter must be able to defeat all the Lionels. Side jump. Side jump again. There you go.
Wow.
Mount him. 104. There you go. Alright.
now am I an ultimate line?
High five.
Now,
I think
halfway there.
maybe not even because that guy gave you a hard time. Joaquin fought the Silver Lionel in Tears of the Kingdom fairly easily. In fact, it's too easy for him. When he fought the Silver Lionel it took him a little bit longer, but still easy for him.
But the gold Lionel.
But the gold Lionel kick Joaquin's butt.
What? What did you say?
It kick Joaquin's butt. Alright, the Tears of the Kingdom versus Breath of the Wild.
It was awesome, even though he keeps on, even though all the Lionels.
Which one is your favorite?
All of the silver Lionels.
But which game is the one do you like most? Which game is more fun?
TOTK.
Tears of the Kingdom. Okay, why? Because it's easier, right?
Yeah, but
Why do you think it's easier in Tears of the Kingdom? Because you have a more powerful weapon.
And I even have
You have a stronger weapon there.
Because I have my Garuda Claymore.
Because
That
it's
silver Lionel saber horn.
because it's easier there
Dati may Sonya, dati.
for you. Why do you think?
Because when it's my first time I get my first strongest weapon, I'm so surprised.
Alright, because you have a stronger weapon in Tears of the Kingdom, right? Even
And I even have that Garuda Claymore plus.
even the arrow you can fuse materials in the arrow, right?
Yeah.
But in Breath of the Wild, that's not available. If you're going to play and going to fight a Lionel, in which game is it? Tears of the Kingdom. Right. So I guess the conclusion is it's easier to fight a silver Lionel in Tears of the Kingdom.
A gold Lionel in Breath of
Yeah,
Because it keeps on kicking my. Because it keeps on kicking
my butt.
Yeah.
Alright, say goodbye, guys.
And have a good day tomorrow.
Alright. Alright, bye, guys.
Bye.